Hello, this is Adler. Welcome to Industry Outlook News Roundup, where we bring you the latest developments of India's business, policy and innovation landscape. And let's get into today's news segment. BHEL wins Rs 1,500 crore captive power plant order from SAIL. BHEL secures Rs 1,500 crore turnkey contract for a captive power plant at SAIL's IISCO steel plant Burpur. The project is to link SAIL's 4.08 MTPA steel capacity expansion with 39-month completion timeline. Additionally, the order strengthens BHEL's power sector presence and boosts long-term revenue visibility. Carrier to invest Rs 1,000 crore in Sri City manufacturing plant. Carrier to invest Rs 1,000 crore in a new commercial HVAC facility in Sri City, Andhra Pradesh. The 39-acre plant to create approximately 3,000 jobs, boosting local manufacturing ecosystem. Notably, this move strengthens Sri City position as a rising hub for India's cooling industry. NBCC bags Rs 104.95 crore orders across infrastructure projects. NBCC secures Rs 104.95 crore in new orders from SAIL Rourkela and NLC India. This includes hospital upgrades, sports infra works, and R&R colony projects in Jharkhand. Moreover, this strengthens the order book as second quarterly financial year 26 profit rises 25% year-on-year. Intel India says nation seeks high-value adaptive AI solutions. Intel India says India and Global South want cutting-edge AI and not downgraded versions. Prime focus lies on adaptable, high-value AI across hardware and software layers. In total, future AI infra to combine GPU, CPU, and NPU for efficiency beyond one-size-fits-all models. That wraps up today's top industry updates. Stay tuned to Industry Outlook for more insights, trends, and stories that shaping tomorrow's economy. And thank you for watching.